Hey, thanks for stopping in. Today, we're talking about dehumidifiers. And the reason why we're talking about dehumidifiers is because nobody wants a damp camper or a camper with mold in it. And so I bought this model here off of Amazon just to run in the camper while we're not using it. And so far, this one's been pretty good. I feel like it does a good job. We tried using a full size dehumidifier in here that we had in our basement, but I felt like it just got too hot in here while we ran that. But I would like to show you. So it's been 2 weeks. So this is ran for 2 weeks, and this is how much water that this thing has collected. And so this does have a hose that you can connect the hose to this. So if it would get to the point, it would go ahead and it would drain down in the sink or the shower or wherever you would want it to drain. It will shut off if it gets to a point, if it's too full. And so we kind of check on this, and so we're really not worried about it overflowing because it will shut off. Now this particular dehumidifier, I bought this off Amazon. They're not a sponsor. I bought this with my own money off Amazon, and this particular model, it's a Simpson CT 1500 CT 15 dehumidifier. So if you're interested, I will put a link down in the description. And so we have learned that that if you run a fan in conjunction with this, that it will move more air inside of the camper, and it will help this capture some more of the air, of the dampness. I mean, so we do shower in here. Then that little cabinet back there, it does get some water in there, so we do open that to pull the moisture out of that. So we've been really happy about it, and I hope you found this video useful, and we'll see you around.